Hello everyone. A royal birth and a brilliant mind. Born in 356 BC in Pella, Macedonia, Alexander III of Macedon, more famously known as Alexander the Great, was destined for greatness. Son of King Philip II of Macedon and Queen Olympias, he was raised in a royal household steeped in military tradition and Greek philosophy. His tutor, the renowned philosopher Aristotle, instilled in him a thirst for knowledge and a deep appreciation for Greek culture. A young warrior ascends the throne. At the tender age of 20, Alexander ascended to the Macedonian throne after his father's assassination. He quickly consolidated his power, quelling rebellions and securing his position as king. His ambition, however, extended far beyond the borders of Macedonia. The Persian Empire in his sights. Alexander's gaze turned towards the mighty Persian Empire, a vast dominion stretching from Greece to India. In 334 BC, he embarked on a series of military campaigns that would change the course of history. His armies, composed of skilled Macedonian and Greek soldiers, were formidable. Conquering the known world, Alexander's military genius was unparalleled. He employed innovative tactics, such as the oblique formation, to outmaneuver his enemies. He conquered the Persian Empire, defeating its powerful armies at battles like Issus and Gaugamela. His empire expanded rapidly, encompassing Egypt, Mesopotamia, Persia, and parts of Central Asia. A cultural fusion. As Alexander conquered new territories, he blended Greek culture with local traditions. He founded numerous cities, including Alexandria in Egypt, which became centers of Hellenistic culture. This cultural exchange fostered a new era of intellectual and artistic flourishing. The march to India. Alexander's ambitions knew no bounds. He ventured into India, crossing the Indus River and encountering the powerful Indian kingdoms. However, his troops, weary from years of campaigning, refused to advance further. A tragic end. In 323 BC, at the age of 32, Alexander the Great died mysteriously in Babylon. The cause of his death remains a subject of debate, with theories ranging from illness to poisoning. His vast empire, lacking a strong successor, fragmented into several Hellenistic kingdoms. A lasting legacy. Despite his untimely death, Alexander's legacy endures. He is remembered as one of history's greatest military commanders and conquerors. His campaigns spread Greek culture and philosophy across a vast region, laying the foundation for the Hellenistic world. His impact on history is immeasurable, and his name continues to inspire awe and admiration. Alexander the Great's story is a testament to human ambition, military genius, and the enduring power of ideas. His conquests and cultural fusion shaped the course of Western civilization and left an indelible mark on the world. Books and resources. The Life of Alexander, by Plutarch. The Campaigns of Alexander, by Arrian. Alexander the Great, by Robin Lane Fox. Alexander, Destiny and Myth, by Claude Moss. Documentaries and films. Alexander the Great, 1956. Alexander, 2004. Alexander, The Ultimate Cut, 2014. The Life of Alexander, BBC documentary, 2019. Alexander's extraordinary life and achievements continue to captivate historians and the public alike. Key quotes. I would rather live a short life of glory than a long one of obscurity. There is nothing impossible to him who will try. I am not afraid of an army of lions led by a sheep, I am afraid of an army of sheep led by a lion. Criticisms and controversies. Criticized for brutality and destruction. Accused of megalomania and divinity complex. Debated legacy, hero or villain. Influence on history. Shaped the ancient world and beyond. Inspired art, literature, and architecture. Continues to influence politics, culture, and society. Thanks for watching.